Let's see how you eat like a big boy. Look at you. Get some green beans. Mmm, yummy. Isn't that so good? Wow. You're so big now. You do it all by yourself. At least you don't eat one thing at a time like Ethan. Mix it up a little. Do you miss your daddy? Where's your daddy? Yeah. Is daddy fun? Where's the light? What about the drums? You like the drums? What do the drums do? What do they do? They go bang, bang, bang. All right. Say goodbye. No, let's start eating with the spoon, not the fingers. It's messy. Okay. Bye-bye.